David Beckham was so open to tell his full life story for Netflix documentary. David Beckham was known for his precision on the pitch, and in an exclusive clip from the new Netflix documentary, Beckham, the former soccer star and father of 4, shares that he is just meticulous about the cleanliness of his kitchen. "I was cooking in here last night," Beckham says to the documentary director Fisher Stevens, after making a cup of coffee for him and then leaning next to the gourmet gas stove. He added, "It's split clean because I cleaned it so well. Yet the iconic domestic prowess goes virtually unnoticed," he jokes to Stevens while his wife Victoria Beckham listens, seemingly amused at a table in the next room. "And I'm not sure it's actually appreciated so much by my wife, in all honesty," Beckham revealed, and then breaks down his nightly ritual. "The fact that when everyone in bed, I then go around, clean the candles, turn the light to the right setting, make sure everything is tidy, because I hate coming down in the morning and there are cups and plates and bowls. It's tiring." He added, "It's tiring going around to every single candle, cleaning it, clipping the wick. I clip the candle wicks, I clean the glass. It's my pet hate the smoke around the inside of the candle. I know it's weird." Beckham idiosyncrasies serve as part of the backdrop of the legendary athlete's story, told in 4 parts and through varying perspectives, and includes interviews with his parents, former teammate, and his Manchester United coach Alex Ferguson.